Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your GoDaddy domain settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Log in to your GoDaddy account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select My Products. Scroll down to the Domains section to find a list of your registered domains. Locate the domain you wish to reset and click on the DNS button next to it. This will take you to the DNS management page for that domain. On the DNS management page, look for the section labeled Records. Here, you will see a list of various DNS records associated. To reset your domain settings, you may wish to delete existing records. Select the record you want to delete and click on the trash can icon next to it. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure the record is removed. If you need to add new records, scroll to the bottom and click on the Add button. Choose the record type you want to add from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required fields for the new record, including the name, value, and TTL. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. After completing the necessary changes, click on Save to update your DNS settings. It may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate across the internet. You can verify your new settings by checking the DNS records again after some time. If you encounter any issues, return to the DNS management page for troubleshooting. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain settings have been reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.